Yo, 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 yo! We're back. Week 2, the road to profitable trader. We're coming in right at the charts. We're here, we're ready, we're getting to action. A little update. So right now, I don't even think I should be trading an eValve, but I already have it before I joined the 1%. It's like I have it, so might as well trade it type deal. We've been doing tons of note taking in this Johnson. A lot. And this is about to be our trade journal, I think, as well, instead of doing it online. I just did a month of back testing this one model. I think I just did it at a terrible month. I did it at the all-time highs. I did it this whole month, October. And it was a tricky month, let me tell you, because it was like we were trading all-time highs half the time. So I'm like, oh, the show not going to go higher. And then we went higher. But we're taking a step back. We're doing the fundamentals. We're getting back testing done. We're getting to it. But we're here. So we recently had news that said 6:30. I marked out data high, data low, and we happen to have a 1 hour order block right here too. So we have our strong draw on liquidity and our high time frame key level that has been unfilled, untapped. What we're looking for next is a high time frame inverse fair value gap. So I mean, I'm bullish. So I'm hoping that we sweep this 1 hour, or we sweep these data lows and come down to this 1 hour order block, respect it, create an inverse fair value gap, and then we enter and target the data highs. That's best case scenario. I mean, we could even re-sweep Asia lows. It's Tuesday. I did trade Monday, and I took 2 trades. One was an Asia session, actually. Found a good setup. I was just looking at the charts. Broke even / I trailed my stop a little bit below break even, so I think we profited a tiny bit. But then the one trade I took that morning, it was a good trade. I think I just entered too late. And I probably shouldn't even traded that day because I woke up late and I probably shouldn't have traded. That's completely my fault. But we're going to see what happens. Yeah, as you can see, we're pretty bullish. This is the daily chart on the right. I mean, we're just looking pretty bullish. We have this massive buy-side liquidity up here after this data high. And then we also have a untapped daily gap. We're already getting some movement. Oh, market's open. Market is open. We're going to hop over down here. 15 minutes. 5 minutes. All right. I mean, we're doing exactly what I said. We're targeting these data lows. Oh. We do have this 5 minute FVG. Or it's a 15 minute. Oh, I know it is a 5 minute. It is a 15 minute. Do we go lower though is the question. And sweep those lows. We could enter an L if this 1 minute inverses, but I just don't think that's enough confirmation. I like the wait for 5 minute inverses, but I don't know if we'll get any of those. We inverse the 1 minute right there. We even have a 30 minute fair value gap too that we tapped into. 1 minute inverse, not enough. We do have this 3 minute inverse right here. 3 minute, I should say, not inverse yet. Tapped in 30 minute. It's like a perfect risk reward, kind of. 50 ticks. 4 contracts. We did close above. All right, we're going long, boys. Stops right there. Limits is at the high. Break even. I have like no intermediate low. I could use. At the 1 minute. But the reason I'm taking this is because we inversed this 3 minute gap right there. Inverse 3 minute gap, and then we swept, or we didn't sweep. 30 minute fair value gap got respected. I mean, you could even, actually it's not an hourly. 30 minute, 15 minute fair value gap. Boom, boom. I'm hoping for some continuations to this data high. That is our goal. $260 ticks to just above. All right, we tapped. Tap that. We'll go a little bit above break even. This is looking really good, boys. Yeah, stop was right there. Yeah, one to three about, or 1.3 risk reward, which is pretty good. Stopped out. Almost wet. Good thing we. Damn. Good thing we went. Good thing we trailed our stop there. That's insane. Wild. That's wild. Yeah, we would have broke even right there, but instead we profited like, I don't know how much. Not much. Probably like 4 contracts. It was 160 bucks. So not terrible. Damn. I mean, technically a winner. I'm probably done for the day. We might see if we can catch something else, because I mean, we still never swept the data highs. We still never swept this data low, or even the order block. So I don't know. Oh my god. I'm in Discord with some boys and everyone got cooked on that, bro. I was just like, did everyone just get cooked at break even on that 3 minute inverse? Everyone's like, yup. Bang! What's up, boys? I think this is only our second trade on the week, to be honest. We just took shorts. I'm pretty confident. Let me show you the higher time frame. So, I mean, we're already buying at a discount, but that's fine. We have previous day lows, and we have this 4-hour gap that we're trading down into. That's my obvious draw on liquidity, is that 4-hour gap. So we're hoping that gets smashed. We have our break even set right here. Let's put this to the right. This is our break even, and if we hit break even, we're risk free, baby. So that's what we're hoping for. That's the game plan. Yeah, so we respected this 5 minute, and then we inversed this 3 minute down here. Then we waited, and we got this. It's about a 1-to-1. About a 1-to-1. So we're gonna see this plays out. Looks like we're about to hit break even. But we're gonna set it and forget it. Fair value gap. We might just smack TP. Bang. That is a
Almost $400 trade. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. I probably could have put our. I mean, if I'm being real, we just look so bearish now. I mean, it's like I just don't see us going any lower than this. Like, this has to be the bottom. We took our trade for the day, so I'm honestly probably done. Done trading, but we'll see if we find anything else. That was the only 2 trades that we ended up taking that week. We ended up with technically 2 wins and 1 loss. So pretty decent. I only really took 2 good trades though. The first one I probably shouldn't have been trading. So, but lesson learned on that. No more of that. We have a routine that we set in place. So that's gonna end this video. We're not gonna keep it any longer. We kind of already did trade recaps in our trades, so we're gonna keep it at that. But on to week 3. We will see you guys there. Peace.